Today, we're going to go over the 3 ways you can switch to Dr. Bronner's Castile soap in your home. Let's get started. The first use on the list is dish and hand soap. For this mixture, you're going to want to use 1 part Dr. Bronner soap and 10 parts water. For me, that was about 1.5 cups of water and 4 teaspoons of soap. Simply mix the 2 parts and pour it into your dispenser of choice. We use the unscented soap, but there are many different scents that you can choose from. Next is a versatile all-purpose cleaner. For this mixture, you're going to want to use 1 part Dr. Bronner's to 16 parts water. We added a few drops of lemon essential oils to give it a fresh scent. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and you're ready to go. You can use it for general grime around the house, to clean streaky windows, and even cleaning dirty mirrors. Lastly, a laundry soap alternative. Simply add 1/3 cup of Dr. Bronner's to your soap dispenser and 1/2 cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few ways that you can switch to Dr. Bronner's in your home. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wellness videos. Thanks for watching.